Introducing the 2025 Ford Puma, a compact SUV that seamlessly blends sporty aesthetics, innovative technology, and efficient performance. Whether you're navigating city streets or exploring open roads, the Puma is engineered to deliver an exhilarating driving experience. Starting with its exterior, the 2025 Puma boasts a refreshed design that exudes confidence and agility. The updated front grille, flanked by sleek LED headlights, gives the Puma a bold presence on the road. Its sculpted body lines and aerodynamic profile not only enhance its visual appeal but also contribute to improved fuel efficiency. Sight Turn Zero Search Zero. You're greeted by a cabin that combines comfort with cutting-edge technology. The centerpiece is a 12.8-inch touchscreen powered by Ford's S1C4 system, offering seamless integration with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Premium materials and ergonomic design ensure that every journey is a pleasure, whether you're commuting or embarking on a weekend getaway. Sight Turn Zero Search 7. Practicality is at the heart of the Puma's design. The innovative Megabox provides an additional 80 liters of storage beneath the boot floor, perfect for accommodating taller items or keeping valuables out of sight. With a total boot capacity of 456 liters, the Puma ensures you have ample space for all your gear. Sight Turn Zero Search 24. The 2025 Puma offers a range of powertrains to suit different driving preferences. The standard EcoBoost hybrid engines deliver a balance of power and efficiency, while the performance-oriented Puma ST features a 1.0-liter turbocharged engine producing 168 horsepower, achieving 0 to 62 miles per hour in just 7.4 seconds. For those seeking an eco-friendly option, the all-electric Puma Gen-E offers a range of up to 376 kilometers on a single charge. Sight Turn Zero Search 12 Turn Zero Search 17. The Puma Gen-E isn't just about zero emissions, it's about delivering a premium electric driving experience. With DC fast charging capabilities, you can recharge from 10% to 80% in approximately 23 minutes. Inside, the Gen-E mirrors the sophistication of its gasoline counterparts.